Welcome to KALPAS KAZANA, and in this video we are going to make Palak Pakoda chaat. Take 1 cup besan, 3 spoons of rice flour, little bit ajwain, 1 spoon salt, a pinch of baking soda and half tablespoon red chilli powder. Mix well, add water and make it into a smooth batter. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now take palak leaves and wash it in cold water. The batter consistency should not be too thick or too thin. Dip each spinach leaf in batter and deep fry until golden brown. Place 5 to 6 pakodas in a serving plate and top it with fresh curd. Onions, carrot, cucumber, pinch of red chilli powder, salt, a pinch of pepper powder, chaat powder, sweet chutney, finally crush papdi, or you can use chips or save over it and serve. You can enjoy this crunchy palak pakoda chaat as an evening tea time snack. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.